In this lesson, we are going to be dealing with conditional statements. The objectives are students will be able to recognize conditional statements and their parts, and students will be able to write converses, inverses, and contrapositives of conditionals. Conditional statements is an if-then statement. The hypothesis is the part P following if. The conclusion is the part Q following then. So most of the time you are going to have a conditional statement such as if an animal is a robin, then the animal is a bird. So you have the P, a P followed by a Q. Hypothesis is the part P. So examples of hypothesis and conclusion of a conditional statement. Remember, we've been talking about the fact that the P part is the P following if is the hypothesis, and the Q following before after then is the conclusion. So in this case, we have Cliff is if Cliff is thirsty, then she drinks water. So the hypothesis is going to be Cliff is thirsty. And the conclusion will be she drinks water. So we have to be very clear on that. So P, if P, and then Q. P is the hypothesis, and then Q is the conclusion. So over here we have examples of conditional statements. So we have the conditional statement itself, the converse, the inverse, contrapositive, and biconditional statement. Conditional statement will be if P, then Q. And then the converse will be if P, then Q. The inverse will be if not P, then no Q. And the contrapositive will be if not Q, then not P. And we need to be very, very clear on that as well. So dealing with, we also do have biconditional statements where we have P if and only if Q. So in this example, we have if a conditional statement where it says if a shape has four sides, then the shape is rectangular. The converse will be if a shape is a rectangular, then it has four sides. The inverse is if a shape does not have four sides, then the shape is not rectangular. And the contrapositive is if a shape is not rectangular, then the shape does not have four sides. A biconditional will be a shape is a rectangular if and only if it has four sides. We have an example where we are looking at trying to write a conditional statement that dolphins are animals as a conditional statement. So the correct answer to it will be if an animal is a dolphin, then it is a mammal. So the hypothesis is animal is a dolphin, and the conclusion is it is a mammal. So a conditional statement, if an animal is a dolphin, just like we did previously, then it is a mammal. The converse is if an animal is a mammal, then it is a dolphin. The inverse will be if an animal is not a dolphin, then it is a mammal. Contrapositive will be if an animal is not a mammal, then it is not a dolphin. So it flows into conditional, converse statements, inverse statement, and then contrapositive statements. So at all times, we are able to see our hypothesis and we are able to see our conclusions. And sometimes we can see if the statement are true or false. And where it is, we will offer a counter example.